Hello, Inland Chiropractic. My name is Joe Sales Jr., and I'm from NV Digital Solutions, a digital marketing agency. I know this video is a little bit different, but recently I've been doing some research on chiropractors in the Victor Valley area, and I came across your business. I have some suggestions for you, so I figured I would make a quick video and share a few tips on things that I've discovered. I have some suggestions for you, so I figured I'd make a quick video to share a few things that can help you beat out your competition and, more importantly, easily find new patients online. So let's get into this. Okay, well, there's 4 things that I wanted to discuss here. Number 1 being your website, number 2 being website content, 3 being citations, and 4 being backlinks. So let's have a look here at your website. As I see here, you have a website that's solid as far as demonstrating active people, and active people oftentimes are those who are likely to use chiropractic care for their needs. As I go through the site, we can also see that this is related to the chiropractic and medical field, and shows your outstanding doctor there, Dr. Jonathan Levin. And so what I do is I like to compare websites in the niche in the area just to kind of see what are some of the differences. And the first thing I'm going to say is that this website here is one that doesn't have as much content on the homepage as Google would recommend. Google recommends or likes to see about 1,500 words on the homepage, whereas this website has 325 words on the homepage. By comparison, the top website in the Victorville area is Stein Chiropractic. Stein Chiropractic shows 829 words, still not the 1,500, but this is one of the factors that puts them out in front. In fact, another thing about that website, about your website, is looking at it for SEO strength is a 77, best practices is 100%. Accessibility, it's 88%, and its performance rating is 82%. And by comparison to Stein, those are some good numbers. When I compare those to some of the other websites, the numbers are solid for SEO and accessibility. Still, your performance is outstanding. Yours seems to be a lighter weight website as far as the internet is concerned. So that's very good. Now, moving forward, the next thing I want to talk about here is we've mentioned the number of keywords per page, or the number of words per page. The significance of content in website performance as far as Google's concerned is the search engine pages read your website. And what they're looking for is to understand what services you offer, what areas you're targeting, and anything else Google can use to help position you in the search ranking. And so the key areas that they're really looking to identify are you generating enough unique and authoritative content? Because Google is looking for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness in the content that you're producing. And that's what helps them serve one website over another website. So as we look at your website, those are 2 things that I definitely wanted to point out. Moving forward to citations, when I look at your website in the Victorville chiropractors, as an example, you don't come up in the top 3. So when I go down here to see where everybody else is ranked, so 1, 2, and 3 are right there, 4, 5, you're coming up as number 6 here. And if I change it to just chiropractor, it's slightly different, but you're still coming up in the same position. And as I look at the regular SEO for these, you'll see that you're not coming up very high under regular SEO. So my suggestion here is that we need to do some work. Here we come up with one of your citations, showing you up down the page on under your name. My suggestion here is that your website needs some SEO work. The local SEO based work is being done for you, but not enough of it has been done. And definitely the greater SEO for the greater area is important as well. One of the factors that's keeping you where you are at this point is that you do have a significant number of citations in the Google search area, because if you didn't, you wouldn't be able to compete with the others. That's one of the highest factors in Google pushing your website in their 3-pack, their local search rankings. And so, as we said, you're number 6. But I do see some areas that could be strengthened up. You have a 4.0 star rating in the Victorville area with 29 reviews. And so with Bear Valley having 25 reviews, Mojave having 36 reviews, and Active Care having 32 reviews, you're positioned to be able to top these 3 competitors here. You'll have much more difficulty topping Stein at 1,200 reviews and Hands of Health Chiropractic at 630. But as you see, the rest of these you're very similarly positioned with. And so I think that with the SEO work that I would recommend doing, and with the citation work that I would recommend doing, and the review work, I think you can change positions and be able to get more organic or free traffic based on your positioning in the high desert. The last thing I wanted to talk about is related to backlinks to your website. When I look at your website online, what I do is we look at the strength of your website, and that's determined by the number of backlinks, the number of domains pointing to your site, and the strength of those domains pointing to your site. They give your site strength. And so your site, according to this particular assessment tool, is 0.52. You have 5 keywords ranking organically, and those 5 words are not generating much traffic to your website. It's 0, if any at all. And you have 44 backlinks. But you need plenty more than that to be able to be served under the SEO, the main SEO section on the Google search page. By comparison, as I look at the leader in the high desert, their domain rating is a 2.15 with 29 keywords being ranked, and they have 374 backlinks from 129 ranking domains. This is the number 1 in the whole area, the Victor Valley area, and particularly focused on Victorville. The number 1 in the Hesperia area is Hannon Chiropractic, and you see their domain strength is a 1.49. According to this tool, they have 7 keywords that are ranked highly and drawing a little bit of traffic from those keywords. But their backlinks, there's 218 backlinks and 60 domains linking to them. So by comparison, you need to have some work done for your SEO to strengthen your website to compete in the high desert. The last thing I'll say is your website shows that you have many locations all throughout the Inland Empire. And so I think that you need some SEO work. I would recommend that you get some SEO work done, because you have a gold mine when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different locations in the Inland Empire that you can position, or 5 or 6 locations in the Inland Empire that you can position strongly if you have the right SEO work done for you. Because basically, it's like having the 6 independent sites ranking highly, but when they're put together, that gives your website an extra boost of SEO strength that no one in the high desert should really be able to touch. By comparison, Stein Chiropractic in the high desert has 4 locations, and they have their SEO being done correctly, which is giving them more strength over the rest of the competition, simply based on the number of locations they have and the amount of SEO work they've done. So you could benefit from the same kind of thing and get much more organic free traffic just simply by having a strong SEO presence. So with that being said, that's all I have for you at this time in the video. Well, that's it. I hope you found this video to be educational. And if you'd like to know more about how NV Digital can help you to outperform your competition, then please reach out so we can chat about it. I have more tips and a lot more that I can show you about how to help you improve your business online presence. If not, I hope you can put some of these tips to use for yourself. All I ask is that you give me feedback on this video, because this is something new that I'm trying, and I would like to know if it's worthwhile to send these to other people in other areas. Anyway, thank you again for watching this video, and have a great day.